Everyone is talking about AI, but most people don't realize what you can do for absolutely free. So today I'm going to walk you through Microsoft Copilot. If you're a part of that Microsoft environment where you've got Word, etc., and you've got a Microsoft account, then you can access Microsoft Copilot for free. Let's jump in and work out how to get the most out of it without paying a penny. Here we are. You go to copilot.microsoft.com. That's what gets you in. Use any Windows account. You can sign up for free. Doesn't cost you anything. And basically you get this interface here, which looks quite a lot like ChatGPT. So you've got sidebar over here. You've got Imagine, Library, Labs, etc. We'll go through some of that in a moment. Got Discover. You can go and find information that's out there. Thinks I'm in Manchester. I'm not. Copilot Daily. Some interesting things here. Basically news, images. You can do image generation. So you've got that there. Got a library. You've got to sign in to keep your the images that you've created on Copilot. And then you've got labs where you can try some different things out. But let's go back to the basic Microsoft Copilot. Here we go. And you've got your message Copilot. So this is where you would put in your prompt. You've got the ability to add images or files, generate an image, create a podcast. I've got one remaining. I've not created one yet. And you can start a quiz. And you've got quick responses, best for everyday conversations. You can think more deeply. So that's equivalent to the sort of deeper research, not quite deep research. Study and learn. Smart GPT-5, so thinks deeply and quickly. So using ChatGPT-5, and then you can search for enhanced references. All this absolutely free. There's some limits on it. We'll go into those, but basically you've got access to an LLM, a large language model, powered by OpenAI through Microsoft. Really good. Let's have a go. Let's have a look at some of the things it can do. Okay, so what I've done is I've loaded up a PDF. It's a PDF of a new government policy that's just been released, the Post-16 Education and Skills White Paper. And I've said in the prompt, please review this document and give me the headline takeaways. There we go. Strategic vision, skills to deliver growth, joined up system, employer partnerships, Skills England, growth skills levy, sector skills packages, youth guarantee, support for NEETs, work experience, further education reform, technical excellence colleges, new qualifications, including V-levels, SEND inclusion, higher education reform, specialisation and collaboration, flexible learning, funding reform, accountability and investment, innovation and research, targets and metrics. You saw how quickly that happened. Pretty good. Really good. Absolutely for free. Fantastic. If you want to start using this technology today, start here. One of the ways that you can use Copilot is in Microsoft Edge. Now, I'm a Chrome user, but here we are in Edge. And let's have a look. Let's find one of these stories here. I think I saw one about DWP. Let's look at this one. Okay, DWP shake-up will cost UK households who aren't on benefits £580 each. Now, you can go up here and press Copilot. And I'm just going to pop in a prompt, summarize this page in 5 concise bullet points with links to sources. Look, see what we get. There we go. And there you go. So it has looked at this page. Taxpayers' impact, scrapping planned welfare cuts could cost UK taxpayers an extra £580 each by 2030, according to the Centre for Social Justice. Disability benefits are surging, wider tax burden, policy reversal. Labour might have to put up, because it reversed the proposed changes to HIP, it may have to put up taxes. We'll see in the budget. Banking shake-up is also mentioned. So there you go. Using Edge, you can work with Copilot, looking at web pages. If you want a quick summary, you can get that summary. Really cool. Let's move on. Okay, you don't have to just use it in Edge. Let's see about just in Windows. I'm here in my desktop, and if you press the Windows key and C, it brings up Copilot. And you can just straight from there, just say, write an email to my team explaining that a project deadline will move by 2 days. There we go. Hope this message finds you well. Got all my details. Fantastic. Put in your new dates. Really cool. Let's try some more. Other ways to use it is through the app. So you can do this on mobile. So if you go to the Google Play Store, if you go to the App Store on an iPhone, you can download the app. I've got it down here. There we go. We've got it there. And what you can do, and this is really useful, especially if you're walking around, is use this little thing here, and you can start dictation. I want to say, use my microphone. Yes, use my microphone. Say, what is the best way to clean and refinish a wooden desk? Cleaning a desk, remove all the items, dust thoroughly, clean the surface, remove sticky residue. Refinishing the desk, want it's scratched or dull, clean off the dust, apply wood stain. Probably do with a little bit of work on my desk. But there we go. So just from using the app, you can sign in and you can use it directly. Very cool. Let's move on. Okay, so Copilot's not just for work. You can also create images. So I've created a prompt here, create a modern presentation background in Coventry blue and gold with a subtle phoenix motif. See what we get. I think that it uses DALL-E. Whether it uses the very latest image generator from ChatGPT, I'm not sure. Feels a bit like DALL-E. See what we're getting. It's working on it. Might take a moment. Again, sounds a bit like ChatGPT. Go full screen. There we go. I like that. It took a bit of time. But look. But yeah. You could put presentations on that, couldn't you? It's quite nice. I quite like the output. Did take a little bit of time, but yeah, pretty good. You can add placeholders for content layouts, for slides. You can create multiple variations or provide a PowerPoint template using this design. Cool. Okay, so from within the app, we've got here, you can have temporary chat on. You can try ChatGPT 5. So if you're using Copilot with GPT-5 with standard access, quality and performance may vary depending on service availability. So this is not paid, this is just the free version, but you can have a go with ChatGPT-5, enterprise data protection, and then you've got some settings here about Copilot, version number, data controls, personalization. So you can give it custom instructions. So in the same way as you can give ChatGPT custom instructions, and I will leave a link down below to the custom instructions I use for ChatGPT, so you can have a look at mine, take them and then pop them into here. So you can put information about what you like, how you like to be referred to, things not to use, etc. So absolutely you can have a look at my custom instructions. I'll put a link below so that you've got that. And then you've got the Copilot memory. So Copilot hasn't captured any memories yet. You've got a work profile. So it knows me. Memory's on, but it hasn't captured anything yet. And then agents. I haven't created any agents. Let's have a look at agents. So over here on the left-hand side, we've got agents. Let's explore agents. So there's some built by Microsoft. So let's have a look at the prompt coach. So you can add this. So you've got it available to you. Look, let's add it, see what happens. It works across Copilot and Teams. So prompt generation. Help me generate a prompt to be used in Copilot. Said I want to create a perfect system prompt for myself. Let's have a look, see what it does. Absolutely, Paul, crafting a perfect system prompt is a great way to ensure Copilot understands your role and goals. To begin, you could tell me your goal, context, source, expectations. You give it those answers and then it will generate the perfect system prompt for you. Really useful. If you're struggling with prompting, if you're struggling to work out how to get the best out of ChatGPT, in this case Copilot, ask it. It'll help you. That's what it's there for. Okay, let's have a look at some more of the agents that are there. So you've got writing coach, learning coach, and you've got some with where you can organize teams. Might try that one out. Miro, you can create an agent. Let's have a look at what creating an agent looks like. It looks very much like creating a GPT. Very, very cool. Describe what you want. Try one of the templates. Just go through it. Perhaps I'll do a video on creating GPTs or creating agents in Copilot. You just let me know. And then down here, you've got your previous conversations, which is always useful. You can go back to them. No projects as yet. Maybe in the paid version, you can create. This is for create a document, create a presentation, create a workbook, create a form, browse all templates. It's really helpful, isn't it? You've already have a look at the presentations. So you can use these to create a presentation in PowerPoint. Sort of templates to use with PowerPoint. Let's try this one. It gives you the presentation. Is give you the ability, or maybe have a look. No, that just gives you the sidebar. So this is the sort of Copilot Live. So it won't work with it, but it will tell you about it. So I think we need to have the paid version to have it embedded so that we can use it to actually start affecting the slides. Teach, curriculum planning. I wonder if this is just because I've got a university account. Homework and assessment, study aids and more, lesson plans, more coming soon. So you can create some content, it will be there. AI for educators, Microsoft Copilot, learning accelerators. Okay, so there's an overview of the free version of Copilot. And really, if you just want to start, you want to start having a play, you can do this, won't cost you anything. You can have a play, it does some quite sophisticated things. Obviously, it's not the embedded version that you would want if you were working on it every day, I guess. But this is a great way to have a try, great way to get some initial things done, using it in Edge, using it with the app, no problem at all, using it direct in Windows with the Windows sign and C, opens it up. So have a go, have a play. If you're interested, let me know and I will sign up and get the full fat version of Copilot, and then we can have a look at how it works inside Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Outlook, etc. All right, I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please drop me a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Still trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by Christmas. So I'm at about 9,500 now, so another 500 to go. So I hope I'll get there. And drop me a comment down below. Tell me what you think of Copilot. Is it just not enough? You want more? Or is it something that actually that's all I need to get going and this is what I use it for? Tell me if I've missed anything. Tell me if there are things I could be doing with Copilot I've not shown you in this video. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.